Give me 8 minutes and I'll teach you how to make $10,000 a month helping business owners get capital. While everyone else is selling courses about drop shipping and Amazon FBA, there's a massive industry hiding in plain sight where a single client can pay you $5,000 to $15,000 for solving one problem. I'm going to break down exactly how this works, why it's not saturated, and the specific steps to get started, even if you know nothing about finance. I'm Stedman Waiters, and 18 months ago, I was sitting in an engineering cubicle making $75,000 a year, stressed out and feeling trapped. Today, my business funding company generates 7 figures annually, and I work when I want, where I want. But here's what's important. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is a legitimate business model that solves a real problem for business owners who are desperate for solutions. Before we dive in, drop a comment right now if you ever felt stuck in a job that pays the bills but doesn't fulfill you. I want to know you're watching. Here's something most people don't realize. According to the Federal Reserve, over 70% of small businesses get rejected when they apply for traditional bank loans. These business owners aren't bad entrepreneurs. They have customers, they have revenue, they just can't get the capital they need to grow. Maybe they just don't have 2 years of tax returns. Or maybe the bank just doesn't understand their business model. But here's the crazy part. There are dozens of funding sources these business owners don't even know exist. Business credit cards with 0% interest for 12 to 18 months, alternative lenders who care more about revenue than credit, equipment financing, merchant cash advances. The options are endless. The problem isn't lack of money in the marketplace. The problem is lack of knowledge about how to access it. And that's where we come in. The business funding industry works on a simple principle. You become the bridge between business owners who need capital and funding sources that have the money to lend. There are 2 main ways to get paid in this business. Method number 1, back-end success fees. With traditional funding like business credit card stacking, you charge a success fee once the client is successfully funded, typically anywhere from 8 to 12% of the total amount funded. So if you help a business owner get access to $50,000 in 0% interest business credit cards, you can earn anywhere from $4,000 to $6,000. And if you get them $100,000, that's $8,000 to $12,000 in your pocket. Method number 2, lender connections. With alternative lending, you get paid directly by the lender. A business term loan may get you $2,000 to $5,000 per approval. Merchant cash advances can pay even more. The beautiful thing here is the business owner pays nothing. Your commission comes directly from the lender. Now do the math with me. If you close just 2 $50,000 traditional funding deals per month, that's anywhere from $8,000 to $12,000. Add in a couple alternative lending commissions and you're easily hitting $10,000 plus per month. But here's what makes this business model so powerful. You're not selling, you're solving problems. Business owners want what you're offering. They're actively looking for capital to grow their businesses. 3 things are happening in the economy right now that make this the perfect time to start a funding business. First, interest rates are still historically low, making business credit cards with 0% interest promotional rates incredibly attractive to business owners. Second, the alternative lending space has exploded. There are hundreds of new lenders who've entered the marketplace in the last 5 years, each with different criteria and approval processes. Third, business owners are more educated than ever about the importance of business credit and funding, and they know they need it. They just don't know how to get it. The market is massive and growing. According to the IBIS World, the business lending industry is worth over $680 billion annually. Even with capturing a tiny fraction of that market can make you wealthy. And here's the kicker. This isn't some trendy online business that could disappear tomorrow. Businesses have needed capital for hundreds of years and they'll need it for hundreds more. This is a recession-proof business. When times get tough, businesses need funding even more desperately. Now you might be thinking, this sounds complicated. Don't I need licenses or certifications or years of finance experience? That's the biggest myth in this industry. You don't need any licenses to be a funding consultant. You're not lending money. You're connecting people with lenders who do the actual underwriting and funding. You don't need perfect credit. I started this business with a 680 credit score and $5,000 for my engineering salary. You don't need a finance degree. My background is in electrical engineering. Some of my most successful students were teachers, corporate job workers, and stay-at-home parents before starting their funding business. What you do need is the willingness to learn systems, build relationships, and help people solve problems. That's it. Let me break down exactly how this business works in practice. Step number 1, you need to find business owners who need capital. This could be through networking, partnerships with accountants, business attorneys, local business associations, or even walking into businesses in your area. The key is targeting businesses that are growing but need capital to expand. Step number 2, you have to qualify. Not every business owner is a good fit for funding. You need to qualify them quickly. For traditional lending, they typically just need a 700 plus credit score. For alternative lending, they need to be generating at minimum $10,000 per month in business revenue and have that minimum of 500 credit score. Step number 3, application and positioning. This is where your value really shows. You know which lenders to approach for each client specific situation. Each lender has certain industries they like more than others. Step number 4, follow through. Most funding applications require follow-up documentation, additional information, or clarification. This is where many applications die, but you manage this process to ensure approvals. Step number 5, time to get paid. Once your client receives their funding, you get paid your success fee or commission directly from the lender. The entire process typically can take anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks for traditional funding, and for alternative lending, it can be as quick as 24 hours. And here's the beautiful part. Once you have the systems in place, you can handle multiple clients simultaneously. After helping hundreds of people start funding businesses, I've identified the 3 factors that separate the successful ones from the ones who struggle. Factor number 1, speed of implementation. The people who succeed don't spend months learning before they start. They learn the basics and immediately begin reaching out to potential clients. Knowledge without action is worthless. Factor number 2, relationship building. This business is built on relationships with clients, with lenders, with referral partners. The most successful funding specialists become trusted advisors, not just service providers. Factor number 3, systems. You cannot build a scalable business by doing everything manually. Successful funding specialists create systems for lead generation, client management, application tracking, and follow-ups. This allows them to scale beyond just trading time for money. Let me be clear about the income potential here, because I don't want to overpromise anything. In your first few months, you might make $2,000 to $5,000 per month as you learn the system and build your client base. By month 6 through 12, if you're consistent, you should be hitting anywhere from 8 to 15K per month. The really successful funding specialists, and I know them personally, are making anywhere from 30 to 50,000 per month, but that takes time, systems, and often a team. The key is treating this like a real business and not a side hustle you dabble in. If you want to learn exactly how to get started in the business funding industry, I put together a free workshop that goes deeper into everything I've covered today. I'll show you my exact client acquisition system, the funding products that pay the highest commissions, and a step-by-step process for getting your first client within your first 30 days. Comment workshop below and I'll send you the link. This training isn't available anywhere else and it normally costs $497, but for my YouTube family, it's completely free. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I drop funding industry insights every week that you won't find anywhere else. Until next time, remember there are business owners in your area right now who need exactly what you can provide. The only question is whether you're going to help them or let someone else collect the commissions. Peace.